Hey, welcome back guys. Today we're doing brake pads and it's going to be a pretty simple, easy job. As you can see, I have zero meat basically with the brake pads. There's like barely anything there. So what we're going to be doing is taking the caliper off first. Then we're going to remove the brake caliper mounting bracket, and then we're going to be changing the rotors as well today. So let's start with the calipers. Now there are two bolts on the brake caliper that we have to remove. They're like 13 or 14s, I don't remember, but pretty easy, simple stuff here. Now my bungee, I'm just hanging it to the top of the spring or coil is what you'll want to do, and then attach it to the caliper. Now everybody forgets to grease these caliper slide pin bolts. Definitely recommend it. It will help your brake system last longer. I use brake parts lubricant by Piston. It's cheap. Now we got the rotors, and these are my old ones. As you can see, these ones actually have two rotor screws. Now only one of the screws was there, and I had to drill it out because I stripped the heck out of it. So I had to drill out both spots, and honestly didn't really need the rotor screws, especially if you already have studs. If you're on an older vehicle where you don't have studs for the lug nuts, then yeah, you'll need one. Now here are the new rotors. I'm gonna unwrap and unbox for you, and I got these pretty cheap. Rock Auto, like 30 bucks each rotor or so. Yeah, and now we got it on. Got the I'm attaching it with just two lug nuts, one on top, one on bottom, like that, just across from each other. That way it sits flat while I get this job done. And then when everything's back together, I'll take that off because there is no rotor screw, and on that rotor there happens to be no rotor screw. Now we got the piston right here. I'm gonna clamp that back, and before I do that, I'm gonna clean this entire thing up. Then I'm going to use my wire brush, and then here's my clamp right here. I'm going to clamp it down, and yeah, clamp that piston back down, and we'll put that caliper, bolt that on. Now don't forget to loosen your brake reservoir cap. That will help clamp the piston in the caliper easier and better with your caliper tool. I'm just spraying it here to clean it all up. You know, the dirt, grease, grime, whatever. And you can even use a wire brush. Is probably now the best time to use it because stuff will come off easier. I'm really grateful that I got the bungee cord. It's helped me so much on this job. So highly recommend it. It's a cheap little thing you can get. I think Dollar Tree has some, and so does Dollar General and stores like that. Now there's my new brake pads. It came with the hardware. Again, got that from Rock Auto. I'm really happy with the quality from Rock Auto and the stuff they have. I love their website. I hope long live Rock Auto. I hope. Now we got the hardware. We got those are the brake wear metal things you put on the brake pad itself. So little fun thing I had to do myself. But yeah, that's the finished product of how it ended up. I'm happy that it's fixed because it was getting dangerously bad. Here's the example. I'll show you when I started. The back was peeling. It was shaking at any time I was braking. Anytime I was braking, it was shaking. You should never let it get this bad. This is actually a big safety issue. This is like the point of where use your emergency fund or something. Yeah, that's that thing that you slide onto the brake pad like I did when I replaced them, so you have a wear, so it'll screech. Well, that metal will screech and be like, hey, you're low, and it'll go when you're braking. So yeah, these brake pads are falling apart. There was literally virtually no meat left on them at all. So it almost got to the point where something could have dangerously broke and caused an accident or lose control. It could get bad. So glad I got this done. Turned out good and not too bad of a job to do. Now, if you like this content, there's a lot more unique and awesome, cool content on the way. So please like and follow.